Welcome to my channel. Yes, without wasting much of your time, we'll go straight into the calculations. Okay, so we're looking at mathematics. Therefore, under GCE, paper 220. Okay, yeah, this is Mr. Bwalya. Mr. Bwalya, popularly known as HalF Metre, due to popular demand. You know, when people call you the names, you accept. So forget about the name itself. Concentrate on the content and the thing here. So we're looking at a GCE section A, where it says simplify. Simplify, and the question is given x minus 1 divided by x to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, so the x minus 1 there given on top, it is straightforward. We'll say equals x minus 1 over. Then look at the down part here. Look at the denominator. The numerator is okay. Now look at the denominator. The denominator has got x to the power 2 minus 1, which falls under, we've got what we know, the difference of two squares. So the difference of two squares is whereby we've got a positive and a negative. So of which you say x plus 1, we close the bracket, we open the bracket, x minus 1, close bracket, which is very simple. Okay, which is very simple. You don't need to waste much of your time. Then you divide now. This one into this one will still give us what? 1. Therefore, say 1 over x plus 1. There, you are done. You are done, which is 2 marks given for free. That's how simple it is. Okay, 2 marks given for free. So when you've been given something like this, you should think of different of what? 2 squares. We introduce positive and the negative. X plus 1. So you can still prove and it can still take you back to this kind of an equation given or concept. Okay, so let us look at number B. 1k squared divided over 5a. So here, we just maintain this one the way it is, because we cannot just go straight and do the calculations. No, we need to change the sign. So say 17k squared over 20a squared. The sign here, for us to work out with the reciprocal of 51k squared, we are going to change the sign, which is multiplication. Therefore, the 5 will go on top, then 51k will go down. So 5a on top as a numerator, then 51k squared as a denominator. Okay, so there, okay, so there we cancel, we start doing with the division now, not necessarily cancelling, but division. So we are saying how many times can 17k squared go into 51k squared? If these numbers, if this number wasn't going through into this number, would have gone direct straight multiplying by 17k squared times a squared. Now, since we've got these numbers, they can go into each other. So we are saying that 17k squared into 51k squared, which is 3. Here 1. 17 into 17, which is 1. Then here we've got a to the power 2, which is, we've got 2 a's. Therefore, we are going to divide a there. We cancel the 2 on top as a squared. Okay. Then how many times can 5 equal to 5? 1. 5 into 20, which is 4. Therefore, we are saying 1 times 1 give us what? 1 over 4 times 3. Remember, I've got a there, which is 4a. 4a times 3 will give us what? 12a. Are we together? 12a there. Now, can this 12a go into 1? It can't. So, meaning the answer ends at this point, which is 2 marks given for free. Just for free. So it's important you understand what they're asking you or what they want. That's the most important thing. Okay, so let us do now C. Okay, C, they are saying 2 divided by 2x minus 1 minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. So here we are going to look for common denominator, which is these. So we are going to get the same ones here as our common denominators. So we'll say 2x minus 1, we close the brackets. We open 3x minus 1, we close. Okay, then we say how many times can 2x minus 1 go into everything down here, which is 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So of which this one to be 1, then 1 times 3x minus 1, which is this one here. So this 1 times 2 there, so it will be 2 open bracket 3x minus 1 close bracket, minus the sign there given. If it is positive, you indicate positive. If it is negative, you indicate negative. Then how many times can this 3x minus 1 go into everything down here? So of which automatically this one will go how many times? 1. 1 times this one to give us 2x minus 1 times 1. So we indicate 1 open bracket, which is 2x minus 1 close bracket. There we go. Okay, we move. Then the 2 here, it's a scalar. It's a scalar, so we're going to multiply it by 2 times everything in the bracket. So we'll say 2 times 3x to give us 6x. Then 2 times negative 1 to be negative 2. Then negative 1 times positive 2x to give us negative 2x. Remember, negative times positive is a negative. The negative times negative, it will be positive. Then 1 times 1, which is 1, over the given elements there, which is 2x minus 1, we close, we open, 3x minus 1. Okay, so at this point, we can put the like terms together. Okay, so we can put like terms together, which is 2x can go with the negative 2x there. So we arrange them by saying, 6x minus negative 2x, then negative 2 positive plus 1 over the given elements, negative 1, which is the common our denominators, which is 3x minus 1, we close. So due to space down here, I'll go on top there, which is I'll get the same thing here, which is 6x, so that other people can see 2x minus 2 plus 1 over, which is 2x minus 1, we close, open bracket, 3x minus 1, we close. So 6x minus 2x, we've got the two different we've got two signs, which is here we've got a positive and we've got a negative. Remember, when you've got two signs, we subtract. Okay, we subtract the numbers, we keep the sign from the bigger number. So of which the bigger number is here is carrying a positive sign. So we'll say 6x minus 2x there to give us which is 4x. Are we together? Which is 4x. Then at this moment again, we've got different signs, which is negative and the positive there, which is negative 2 plus 1. So having the two different signs, we are going to subtract. We keep them. We maintain the sign from the bigger number, of which the bigger number is negative. So we say negative. Then 2 minus 1, it will give us 1. Okay, which is 1 over. Then 2x minus 1, we open again, 3x minus 1, we close. So when you look at 4x minus 1 and the denominators here, the numerator and the denominators here, this one we cannot simplify any further because we've got different variables, or we've got the variables, we've got x, 4x. Here we don't have a variable, okay, which is we've got -1. So of which we cannot simplify further. Therefore, our answer ends at this point. There, that's how simple it is. So mathematics is very simple when you concentrate, when you understand what they are looking for. So kindly please follow my channel, even as I give you update, even as you prepare yourself for the exam, for the within a good position when it comes for mathematics. So you don't need to fail. You don't need to fail. If there's a simplest subject here on earth is mathematics, because you'll be able to know how you are coming up with those numbers and you can improve. So I call it's a simplest subject. You know, it's a simplest subject. So it becomes simple as you calculate these figures. Continue, share with your friends, invite more of your friends to come and join me, even as we do these things together, because we don't need to fail. You don't need to fail. You don't need to fail. No one deserves to fail. Okay.